Good morning and welcome back again. So, this week has been extremely rough. We all know that this coronavirus has actually struck us in a very, very difficult way, and it is hard for us to even predict what's going to happen. So, we're trying our best. I apologize for everything that's happening. On the right side, you have an extra week for all of your assignments, but also for all the pracs and everything. So, we are sorting it out somehow. This week we are going to really pause for a second and redo week 2 as a prac, because I believe that a lot of people actually fell behind. So what we're going to do this week is to actually focus on making sure that everybody has a good idea to bring forward as their application for the actual assignment 2. So assignment 1 has turned into one individual assignment, and after week 5 or 6, we need to check exactly what's happening. You will have to basically form a group, and with that group you will choose 3 people, and so groups of 3, and within that you will choose one of the ideas. So everybody should be able to bring forward one of the projects that they have proposed for assignment 1, and democratically you will have to decide which one to bring forward. Now, in order to make this a little bit easier, I am actually going to create the application with you. So I'm going to participate myself. And this is my idea. So what I would like to do is to try and find more information about this coronavirus which is happening out there, and try to really understand what people are saying and what's the sentiment that is going on, and perhaps also maybe look at photos which are on social media. So I really want to try and collect this information so that we can actually provide them to the governments or emergency agencies. So first thing that you probably want to do is to try and think, what are the main functionalities for your application? So I have none at the moment, and these are some of the ideas. This is how I'm gonna build it up. So I know that I'm going to analyze text. So I'm gonna put that down. I'm going to analyze images. And probably a few more things, but I'm gonna just start with this. Now, as I mentioned before, you should look into using the Watson APIs because they really interface with Node-RED very well. And so what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to run a small application on Node-RED to showcase how you can do that. So for the first week is write down what is your application trying to do. That is the first thing. And try to sketch down what or how you envision these things to happen. So you need to know now what kind of services you want to use. So by the end of the week, everybody must have a very clear idea of what they're going to be doing. So my idea is simple. I want to harvest social media and online media to basically find out what is happening with this coronavirus and provide that information on one location online. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. Thank you very much, and let's get ready for this week.